Well, Jeff, tell me how you have had to do job costing before.
Well, typically it's a long drawn out process. It's a lot of paper trail, and it's basically whenever you create your bid, you physically write out all of your costs that you can possibly think of, and then at that point, you try to monitor on your jobs your labor hours, your equipment hours, how much fuel you spent, how many materials you bought, how many dollars in materials you have. You got to keep up with sales tax, and when you have a few different jobs going on, I mean, this can be very time consuming, and other potential products you could be bidding on, I don't have a chance to do that because I'm constantly updating my job costs. And that's the only way I found to do it, without an actual program.
So how does that work? Like your foremen come into your office and they turn in receipts and that type of thing?
Yes, they turn in receipts, they turn in their time sheets, and any miscellaneous stuff that they bought during the day, they turn in receipts for that. And then as shipping tickets come in and receipts from your suppliers, that all has to be physically entered because we have no way of knowing our material costs until we get the invoice at the end of the month. Right. And so on a day-to-day basis or per week basis, I'm constantly entering equipment time, fuel, labor time, and it's a never-ending process.
So you spend a lot of time trying to track your costs and expenses.
Yes.
So how has ProfitDig addressed this? How has it made that process easier?
Well, it takes out the time that I spend in the office, and as your foremans are writing down their time on timesheets and hours for their equipment, through ProfitDig, there's no longer a paper trail. They no longer have to write down their hours per day or their equipment per hours per day. Now through ProfitDig, all you have to have is a smartphone or a tablet or laptop, and through the website, they enter their employees' times, their equipment times, and any miscellaneous costs they've had during the day, and it's automatically updated to the server. And when I click on that particular job, I see exactly how many dollars have been spent per day.
So in real time, you can log into the ProfitDig system and see where you stand as far as costs and expenses and profits.
Yes. As soon as the foreman's on a job hit submit or the superintendent's, then it automatically is updated to that particular job, and it's just as simple as scrolling over with a mouse and seeing what you spent.
So it both gives you real-time data and saves you a ton of time in entering that stuff yourself.
Yes, because I don't have to enter anything as far as a project manager in the office anymore. All I have to do is check from day to day and see what money's been spent according to the budget that I've created.
Sounds good?
It is. It's very good.